everyone, it's Iota here. Today we're going to be talking about yet another possible hurricane hitting Central America. I know this year has been absolutely crazy. We've had so many hurricanes, so many things going on. Yeah, we're having another hurricane hitting Central America. I'm going to give you all the details on this. What, another hurricane? Is it going to be weaker or not as weak? Not as strong as the last hurricane, Hurricane Iota, has hit Central America. I'm going to give you all the details on this coming up. I'm going to be showing you the models, the light infrared satellite, and all the spaghetti models, show you exactly what every model says about this. But before I get into that, I want to show you first all the information about this. Maximum sustained winds is 135 knots or 40 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 1006 millibars. Located at 12.7 north, 76.2 west, and the movement was west-southwest at 4 knots or 5 miles per hour. Yes, this thing's moving very slow and it's very weak right now, but that's expected to get worse and worse, and it's expected to gradually intensify as we go later on. So that's the current information. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the infrared satellite. Again, it's moving really slow. This could cause flooding, but it's expected to be into a hurricane soon. But as you can see, very, very, very unorganized right now, but it's expected to get that organization as we go on. Just like with every tropical storm that turns into a hurricane later on, it is expected to gain that intensity as it goes on and get more organized as it goes on. That means it gets more organized to be stronger, more like a hurricane. As you can see, this thing right now does not look like a hurricane. But you know those the storms with eye in the middle, that is a hurricane. So as you can see, that gets more organized. It looks more like a hurricane. That means it's stronger. So again, it's very unorganized right now. As you can see, it's all over the place. Currently making rainfall on looks like Mexico possibly. I think that's Mexico. But again, this is nothing right now. It's going to get stronger as we go later on. Now exactly when? Let's talk about that right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you its track right now. Okay, so this is its track, as you can see. It's going to be a big hurricane. That's something I can say. Not a huge hurricane, but a Category 1 to Category 2. It's not going to stay as a tropical storm, which is crazy. We're having yet another hurricane. This has beat 2005. Can you believe that? We beat 2005. Another hurricane. And this hurricane's hitting the same place as Iota did, but as you see, it's a pretty weak tropical storm right now. But then, as we go later on, by 7 p.m. Sunday, it's going to be a hurricane. Then, as we go later on, it is going to be another hurricane. Not the same hurricane, but then by 7 p.m. Monday, it's going to be making landfall on Honduras. So, Honduras, you guys need to be prepared. If you live near the coast of Honduras, you guys need to be prepared. As you can see, making landfall, then it will weaken to a tropical storm, then it will go to a depression. But as you can see, it's going to be a pretty strong hurricane as we go here. This is not good. We've had so many of these this year. This is crazy. But as you can see, Central America, yet another hurricane. I think this is going to be weaker than the other hurricane you guys had. Yeah, this is going to be weaker than the other hurricane you had, which is good, but that doesn't mean you can't be prepared. You guys just do the same thing you did last time. Be prepared. At least you know what's going to happen. You guys been through this now. You guys at least know what's going to happen now as another hurricane could hit. I want to go ahead and show you. Oh, I just showed you that already. Now I want to go ahead and show you all the spaghetti models. This is what every model thinks that's going to happen. So as you can see, I showed you the track. So again, the majority of the models say it's going to be going straight through Honduras right there, as you can see right there. Straight through Honduras. So Honduras, you guys are in the bullseye track. And then it just says it fades off. Nothing else is crazy going to happen. Just going as a Category 2, Category 1 hurricane going through Honduras, and it's going to weaken. But none of the models say different. Really, most of them just say Honduras. So Honduras, simply, you guys are in the big track. You guys are most likely going to get hit. But that is what every model thinks. So let's go ahead and just take it off to short into one model. Again, this is just one model. It may not be all that accurate. As you can see, it's nothing really right now. But then it gains its intensity and goes future on. It is going to make impacts on Central America. Right there. Look at that thing. Look at that. So you can kind of see that eye right there. Look at that. This is going to get really organized. Sorry to say, but this is going to get really strong. But not like a huge hurricane. But if this changes by above a Category 2, then the forecasts have changed. But this is still going to be a really strong hurricane. See, look at it right now. that's just really nothing. Then you go on. Look how much more organized that gets. That's purple. That's really strong right there. Then it makes impacts on Honduras, and then it weakens as it makes landfall. And this model apparently says it's not. It's going to make some impacts on Honduras, then go off of Honduras and go on another place in Central America. Again, I don't agree with that really, but this has a good idea on the accurate intensity that's going to be going on. Then it weakens, and then it gets weaker. But simply, it's going to be hitting Honduras as another hurricane. Yet another hurricane. But as you can see, pretty strong hurricane as we go later on. As you can see, it's going to be gaining that intensity. So as you can see, right there is when it gains a lot of its intensity. That'll be about Monday. And again, it's making landfall about Tuesday. Landfall about Tuesday. I mean, this is just one model. So my prediction is it's going to be making landfall by Sunday, anywhere from Sunday to Tuesday. That's my prediction. Anywhere from Sunday to Tuesday, it can be making landfall. So just be prepared for that time frame. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, stay safe, share this with your friends so they know what's going on too. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below and I should be able to answer them. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!